Hello everyone. I made this little video just to show us how I made this egg sauce. It's very easy and simple. First, I started off by cutting up all the items that I'll be using. I'm using carrots, sausage. That's just a little twist to it. The normal tomatoes, onions, and your oil, especially for your egg. You don't need too much oil. So I started by heating up the oil. So I'm using like a medium heat. I always cook with medium heat. That way it helps my food to cook from inside out, right? So I started by frying my onions, and then I allowed it to heat up for like a minute or so. Then I added tomatoes and turned it with then a little bit of pepper, and so I allowed it to cook for a while. And I also added all my and then I added the seasoning. So I whisked my egg just to make it ready for when I want to use it. So now I've added the sausage and I let it cook for a minute or two and like stirred a little bit, and then I had to add my carrot. So this carrot, it's still gonna be crunchy because I don't want it so soggy that you might be able, like it's so soft in the egg. So immediately I added the carrot. I just went in with the egg and I turned down the heat a little bit more just to allow the egg cook, like I said, from inside out. So what happens here is it will be like cooking on a medium heat, and then I stirred out just to make sure that everything is even. And there we go. With so food is ready. I just allowed it to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Just keep stirring just to make break out any lumps in the egg, and voila, egg is ready. And so I dish to serve, and that was it. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.